How can you find out if there is a life insurance policy on someone in Europe? Well, great news is that it doesn't matter anymore. The E111 form was replaced at the beginning of January 2006 by a new European health insurance card. This EHIC is valid for up to 5 years and entitles you to the same level of medical care in the country you're traveling in as would be enjoyed by the residents of the country. The card covers discounted and free medical care including emergency treatment and applies to all the EEC countries plus Switzerland, Norway, Iceland and Liechtenstein. But be aware that the treatment you're entitled to might not include all the treatments you get free of charge under the National Health Service here in Britain. Nevertheless, we believe that it's wise to carry EHIC as it could save you time, money and a great deal of hassle if you're unlucky enough to need medical attention. It can cut through some of the inevitable red tape you'd be faced with if you were relying just on the medical provisions of your travel insurance policy. You should also be aware that in many areas of Europe the best medical attention is still reserved for those with private insurance cover. Private insurance bypasses the long queues of local residents waiting patiently in inhospitable quarters. After all, who wants to spend days of their holiday not only ill but queuing as well? Another point is that nationalized healthcare is only available at nationalized hospitals, which in some countries are hundreds of miles apart. They tend to be located where the local population work and live, not where you enjoy your holidays. Therefore, you may be a long way from the nearest nationalized hospital, whereas private medical and dental clinics are to be found in many tourist areas catering primarily for holidaymakers. Their standard is usually good, albeit in local terms they're expensive. Whilst we've been discussing medical care, don't forget that private travel insurance covers you for much more than just medical expenses. Most policies will even pay for you to be flown home to the UK if you're really ill. Holiday cancellation, holiday curtailment, loss of luggage or individual items are all aspects normally covered by the insurance. To be as safe as possible, we recommend that all travelers get a European health insurance card and comprehensive travel insurance. After all, you've saved up for ages for the holiday, and if something goes wrong, the last thing you want is to be worried about the financial implications. As with most insurance, the best travel insurance bargains are to be found on the internet. Search on your favorite search engine for travel insurance. The brokers usually provide the best value for money, as they will have access to a wide range of insurance providers and can pick the best for you. You can try the sites run by the individual insurance companies, but they'll only offer you one option: their policy. A broker can offer you a range of solutions. We say no matter how you arrange it, get travel insurance and get peace of mind.